Hello, and welcome to the clinicaltrials.gov tutorial. Clinicaltrials.gov provides patients, their family members, healthcare professionals, researchers, and the public with easy access to information on publicly and privately supported clinical studies on a wide range of diseases and conditions. Locating clinical trials on a disease or illness is simple using the robust search fields on the homepage. For example, searching for a potential clinical trial on a drug called memantine in treating Alzheimer's is as easy as entering these terms into the appropriate fields of the search area. For purposes of this tutorial, we will search for trials in New York City. After running the search, you can limit the results to display only those trials that are currently recruiting study participants. Clicking on a result brings you to a page with more details on the study, such as the study sponsor's institution or company, description, projected start and end dates for the study, eligibility criteria for participating in the clinical trial, and contact information to learn more or inquire about joining the study.